Smart automation, better business. Learn how to optimize your business with Solved.
Hello, in this video, I'm going to show you how to dynamically pass in credentials or FTP servers in MuleSoft. If you have multiple reports that you need to send out on a scheduled basis or on an at-will basis, what you can do is you can set up a MuleSoft flow that is either scheduled or an API endpoint and pass in a list of FTP credentials and then loop through them and send out either files, records, or any other data and drop them into FTP servers. So let me go ahead and share my screen and I'll show you. All right, so on the side here, I have two temporary FTP servers set up, have them in a list in Postman just so I can show you here. Then I have a file body and a file name, different for the first and second FTP servers. And then the setup here in MuleSoft. We go to global elements just to show you how to set up the global aspect of it so that we can pass dynamic variables in. What we'll do is we'll go to the FTP config, we'll open that up, and you'll see here that the host is payload.host. So whatever you name it in your actual payload or scheduled flow, if you're doing this, or if you're hitting it from Salesforce itself in a Salesforce flow, whatever you name the variable, you'll need to have that here. So payload.host.ports.username, and then the password here is payload.password, just matching what I have here. So this is how you can dynamically send them in rather than storing it in a local properties file or secure local or prod properties file. So that's the setup in the config. And then if we go over here, I just have a for each loop that'll go through each of the items in this list. We will write the payload.file name, and then I'm passing in the body as output is text plain in payload.file body. We'll loop through, we'll output the file body once we read that file. So let's go ahead and run this. Go and send it. We'll look at the logs here. First we logged just what we sent to the first item here. And then this next piece this is a demo for the first FTP server. After we read the file that we inputted, we logged it here and then looped through the second one, which this is a demo for the second FTP server, and it logged it there. So if you have a use case where you either need to send bulk records, files, or just any data and need to drop it into an FTP server or an SFTP server, this is how you can dynamically send that information out to multiple servers rather than having to go through and make a call for every single server and have a scheduled run for every server. You can do it dynamically by passing in the variables and then either querying or passing in the data directly. Let me know if you have any questions. If you'd like to see any other MuleSoft videos, take a look at our channel or just request content in the comments. Thank you.
Thank you so much for watching. We can't wait to help you automate your business. Please like, comment, or subscribe for more.